Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour over a cup bottom using this color palette. This palette is from our Friday Night Flip Cup Color Palette Challenge and you can check it out in our community tab. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. I will put a list of the colors that I'm using in this pour today down in the description box. So let's get our base on, our colors on, and let's do this pour. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out this video. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.